Let's learn how to add collaboration on Instagram after posting. If you want to add collaboration to your post, but don't know how to do it without deleting it, then you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you will know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is check if your Instagram is updated. If it is, we can continue. First, open the Instagram app. When you open Instagram, you will be on the home page, but you need to be on the page with your profile. You can access this page by clicking on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. When this page opens, you need to open the post to which you want to add collaboration. When the post opens, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the post. A menu with several options will open. From all these options, you need to click on the option Partnership Label and Ads. If you don't have that option, click on the Edit option. When you click on Edit, the photo editor will open. If you don't have either of these two options, I will show you how to resolve this. When the photo editor opens, click on the option Add Paid Partnership Label, which is located above the location. Now the page where collaboration is added should open. If you don't have these two options, go back to your profile and click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a page with several options. Now you need to scroll down until you reach the section called More Info and Support. When you reach this section, click on the Help option. After clicking, a page with several options will open. Now click on the first option, Report a Problem. Then a page will open where you need to click on the option, Report Problem Without Shaking. On the next page that opens, you will have 2 options. Click on the second option, Don't Include and Continue. When this page opens, you need to describe your problem. Write that you cannot add collaboration after posting and mention that you do not want to delete the post. Ask them to solve your problem. After doing that, click on Submit in the top right corner, and that's it. They will solve your problem. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.